In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Squarespace website to another account, whether you're handing over a project to a client, transferring ownership within a team, or simply moving your website to a different account. This process is straightforward once you know where to look. By following these steps, you'll be able to complete the transfer quickly and securely, ensuring your website is in the right hands. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you're already signed into your Google account, you can also select the Continue with Google option to access Squarespace directly. This step ensures you're in the right account where your website is hosted. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on your website. This will open the management page where you can view and make changes to your site. Next, navigate to the Settings area. This is the section where you'll find all the tools and options for managing your site. Scroll through and look for the Permissions and Ownership section. This is the area where all settings related to ownership of your website are located. Click on it to proceed. Now, once you're inside the Permissions and Ownership section, click on it one more time to make sure you're in the correct submenu. This double check ensures that you're in the right place to manage ownership settings. From here, look for the Transfer Ownership option and select it. This is the feature that allows you to pass ownership of your Squarespace website to another account. When you click it, you'll be prompted to confirm the transfer process. To confirm, you'll need to sign in with your Google account again. Make sure you're using the same Google account you originally used to log in to Squarespace. This step verifies your identity and ensures the security of the transfer process. If you're not sure which account you used, take a moment to double check. Once you've signed in, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transfer process. Squarespace will guide you through the final steps, making sure everything is set up properly. If at any point you run into issues, don't worry. Squarespace's support team is available to help. Simply reach out to them for assistance if needed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and secure transition of your site to its new owner. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.